Hi, my name is Mike Law with AED Professionals. I am the President and Chief Operating Officer. Years ago, my grandmother passed away of sudden cardiac arrest at the very young age of 55. Grandma was a true educator. Her heart was always with her students. She went from teacher to professor to principal to running her own all-girls college. My mom, dad, and I founded this company 17 years ago in her legacy. Schools are the backbone of our communities. They're also our top priority at AED Professionals. School teachers and nurses have consistently been out on the front line, especially now. Our goal is to ensure that they're properly outfitted with the highest performing life-saving equipment. We're committed to partnering with school districts across the United States to ensure that they have the best AEDs and PPE on the market today. Regardless of your budget, we will work tirelessly to get you what you need and at the right price. For us, it's personal. It's not just about meeting an arbitrary requirement. It's about getting the best life-saving equipment to our schools. Please call us anytime, and you'll be greeted by one of our professionals within rings, not minutes.